morning. It's 6 a.m. and I wait to see the elephant. Look at my shirt. I'm wearing my elephant shirt just because of it. Yay, let's go, let's go.
Sri Lanka is called as the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Being a very small country, you have everything here in Sri Lanka.
It's also called the teardrop of India due to its shape and proximity, which has influenced its culture mainly through food and even the language. Just some Sinhalese.
Sorry?
How you
sure,
say?
Sure. Thank you means stuti.
Stuti.
Thank you means stuti. Stuti.
How you say hello? Is it the
Hello,
same?
Aiboan.
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 I'm so hungry. Hi, sir. You have parathas? Can I have paratha, please? This for you.
Oh my goodness. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my friend.
Ma'am?
Perfect. I love. How is your own?
Nice.
Good, right? I love Sri Lankan food so much. They're waiting on us. Oh, we are here.
Okay.
Yes.
An iconic constituent of the country's wildlife is the elephant. They have been respected for centuries, and Sri Lanka cares for the world's largest herd of orphaned elephants. The elephant population has fallen almost 65% since the beginning of the 19th century. Today, the Sri Lankan elephant is protected under their law, and killing one carries the death penalty. I will admit that after this trip, I learned it was torturous to ride elephants, so I do not recommend it. But they do have other parks where you can only bathe with them, which doesn't hurt a soul. Also, they love bananas, so feel free to give them one.
Our main income is tea.
Which I love.
Tea. And the second one is coconut. Can you see coconut tree there?
Next, we will learn about some natural Sri Lankan secrets. So listen closely. This is the spice garden. Nutmeg, turmeric.
Have used for skin secret. 1 drop oil, sandalwood, little cream mixed together, natural buttons.
What is king coconut?
And you can see our country old village lady. Long hair,
Yeah, long hair.
stronger hair.
You put coconut
oil.
oil? Oh yeah.
This oil how to use, not for hair. 3 drops mixed together, only scalp massage.
Yeah.
Then 10-15 minutes after oil slowly absorb the skin. 20-25 minutes after we can shampoo. Stop the fall in hair, dandruff, loose in hair, split in grey hair, and special medicine for white hair.
Really?
You know this one medicine.
And now the best part of every day. Tea time! Sri Lanka is the world's 3rd largest exporter of tea. But what really goes into making this substance that we all love? Firstly, tea leaves are spread out and left to wither. Then, the leaves are rolled so remaining moisture is released, coating the surface of the leaves with its juices. Thirdly, the leaves are spread out again, but this time in a cool, damp atmosphere, and the oxidation process continues. After, the leaves are dried with hot air. And the final process involves sorting the tea leaves by size and grade so it's packaged for shipment. Voila! Now you can drink your favorite cup of tea. There is so much more to Sri Lanka that you can explore. The breathtaking beaches of Hikkaduwa, the ancient ruins and fortresses, intricate hiking trails, even hidden waterfalls. But until then, I'll leave you with a clip of what I enjoyed the most. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and follow my social media pages. The Jamaican Mermaid. Different day, different shoreline.